I'm going to do a science experiment for Annabeth. I've been trying to do this since I was a little kid, well, since I was a teenager, that if you take a bottle of water that's below the freezing point of water, but it hasn't turned to ice yet, if it's still liquid, if you shake it, it will turn into ice. So I'm going to try to do that. So here's a bottle of water, and it's just regular water. They made little ice crystals. So you can see it's kind of turning into ice. Alright, this isn't a good one. I did all these other ones, and they turned into like real chunks of ice. Oh man, you really can't see it. This one you can see is like I could dump the water out. And make more ice on the ground. You can see it's just like an ice ball down there. There you go. Ice. Isn't that cool? Every time I get in my truck and there's cold waters in here, I shake it. And it's never worked before.